everyone, welcome back. Thank you for tuning for the latest content. In this video, we are going to discuss about the loyalty points. Loyalty points are a form of reward or incentives offered by the business to encourage customer loyalty. Customers can earn these points through repeated purchases or other forms of engagement with the business. These points can often be redeemed for discounts, free products, or other benefits. So let's head into the sales module to manage with the loyalty point, where we have to enable the loyalty points from the configuration settings. For that, you have to enable discounts, loyalty, and gift cards that would allow you to manage the promotions, coupons, loyalty cards, gift cards, and e-wallet. So once you have done with this, you can save the changes in the configuration settings. And let's move on to the product menu, where you can choose the discount and loyalty. And you can find the program that is already created over here. You can provide the name of the loyalty program, and you have to choose the loyalty program type as loyalty card. So whenever a customer make an order, they can accumulate the point and they can exchange for rewards on current order or on a future order. This program uses USD as a currency, and we are not restricting any particular price list for this loyalty program. The point unit will be considered as loyalty point. You can also restrict a start date and end date so that this program will be no longer available after this date. So currently we are not setting any particular date over here so that this could be used at any time. You can also limit the usage of this loyalty program if you want. So currently we are not setting any limit over here so that you can uncheck this field. And this loyalty program belongs to my company San Francisco, and let's make it available in point of sale, sales module, and website. And this can be used by all the websites that are currently available in Odoo and all the POS of Odoo platform. We can also set a certain rules and rewards over here to use the loyalty programs. Here you can see that whenever a customer make a minimum quantity of 1 and with a minimum purchase of 1,000, he will be granting 10 points as the loyalty program. And here we will be providing 10 points for every dollar he spent. So here you can just save this. Afterwards, you can also set a reward for this. So we will be providing a reward of discount with a 10% on his order and in exchange of 5 loyalty points. And you can provide a description on order with 10% on your order. So once you have done with this, you can save the changes of reward. And when you just move on to the loyalty cards, you would be able to see all the loyalty cards with its card code, balance, and expiration date, program, and the partner, and everything. Now let's move on to the orders, and let's consider the customer Elvin. So as you just consider the Elvin as a customer, you can see that we can also check the loyalty cards that is generated for each customers when you just get into the internal link and click on more option, where you can see a smart button of loyalty cards. So currently this customer has no loyalty cards over here. Now let's move on to the quotation that we are dealing with, and here you can choose a product. So let me choose the product as cabinet with door. So here you can see that the quantity is 1 and unit price is 140. As per the conditional rule, we know that the customer has to make a purchase of minimum 1 quantity with a minimum purchase amount of $1,000. So as you just confirm this order, you can see no loyalty program will be created for the customer Elvin because he is making a purchase of 140 only. So no loyalty card is currently generated. Let's move on to the quotation, and let's create a new quotation for the customer right now. So let me choose Elvin itself as my customer, and here you can choose the product, which is cabinet with door with a quantity of 10, and you can see that the total price of the product is 1,400. Now, as you just confirm the order, you can see a loyalty program will be generated for the customer Elvin. So as you just get into the internal link of Elvin and move to the loyalty card smart button, you would be able to see the card that is generated with the loyalties point also. Here you can see that the loyalty balance is shown over here, and this is calculated in such a way that with a 10 point for the dollar that is spent by the customer. Now he can make use of the loyalty point on his order or on for his future order. So if the customer wants to apply a loyalty point on his current order, he can just move on and let's click on promotions, and you can see that the loyalty point will be applied over here, and you can see the point that is applied, which means a 10% of discount is currently applied. So we know 10% of 1400 will be 140, and that will be deducted from here. And you can see the total price of the product is now changed from 1400 subtraction of 140, and an addition of 15% of tax will be applied here, and the current the final quantity final amount that the customer need to make a payment of 1449 only. So loyalty program always helps to increase the profitability of a business by repetitive purchases, and that is one of the strategy of every business to boost their purchases by driving the customers for repetitive purchase. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.